Light industries are like the busy bees of the manufacturing world. They may not be as large or as well known as heavy industries, but they play a crucial role in our daily lives. These industries are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes to produce the myriad of small items that we often take for granted. They don't make huge things like cars or airplanes. Instead, they focus on smaller, everyday items that are essential to our daily routines. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, light industry products are all around us. Instead, they make smaller things we use every day. These items might seem insignificant on their own, but together, they form the backbone of our modern lifestyle. Imagine a day without these small yet vital products. It would be quite challenging, wouldn't it? Think about toys, clothes, and food packaging. These are just a few examples of the products that light industries produce. Each of these items goes through a meticulous process of design, production, and quality control to ensure they meet our needs and expectations. These industries are important because they make our lives easier and more fun. Without them, we wouldn't have the convenience of pre-packaged food, the joy of new clothes, or the excitement of new toys. They add color and comfort to our lives in ways we often overlook. One exciting area in light industry is making plastic products. Plastic is everywhere. It's a versatile material that has revolutionized the way we live. From household items to high-tech gadgets, plastic plays a pivotal role in modern manufacturing. It's in our phones, our computers, and even our clothes. The versatility of plastic allows it to be molded into countless forms, making it an indispensable part of our daily lives. Whether it's the casing of your smartphone or the fibers in your workout clothes, plastic is a key component. Making plastic products is a bit like baking a cake. You start with a recipe and some basic ingredients, then you mix and heat them up in special ways. The process requires precision and expertise to ensure the final product is just right. You start with a recipe and some basic ingredients, then you mix and heat them up in special ways. The raw materials, often in the form of plastic pellets, are carefully measured and combined to create the desired product. It's a fascinating process that combines science and creativity, but instead of flour and sugar, we use plastic pellets. These tiny granules are the building blocks of countless products. They are melted down and shaped into everything from simple containers to complex electronic components. And instead of an oven, we use awesome machines like injection molding and extrusion machines. These high-tech devices are capable of producing intricate shapes and designs with incredible precision. They are the workhorses of the plastic manufacturing industry. These machines are like giant high-tech easy-bake ovens that transform plastic pellets into all sorts of cool stuff. From everyday household items to cutting-edge technology, the possibilities are endless. The next time you use a plastic product, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process and the innovative machinery that made it possible. Let's talk about plastic. Plastic starts its life as tiny pellets. These pellets are like little grains of rice made from oil and natural gas. They don't look like much, but they hold incredible potential. We melt these pellets down and use them to create a huge variety of products. Think about a simple plastic bottle. It starts as a handful of pellets. We heat those pellets until they melt into a liquid. Then, we use amazing machines to shape that liquid plastic into the bottle. It's like magic, but it's science. One way we shape plastic is with injection molding. This technique has revolutionized the manufacturing industry, allowing us to create a wide variety of plastic products efficiently and with high precision. Injection molding is a versatile process that can produce everything from tiny, intricate components to large, robust items. It's a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, enabling mass production of consistent, high-quality parts. This process is perfect for making solid plastic parts with complex shapes. The precision and repeatability of injection molding make it ideal for producing parts that require tight tolerances and intricate details. Whether it's a small gear in a watch or a large panel in a car, injection molding can handle it all with remarkable accuracy. Imagine a Lego brick, a toothbrush, or the case for your phone. These everyday items are all products of injection molding. The process allows for the creation of durable, reliable, and precisely shaped items that we use in our daily lives. It's fascinating to think about how such a wide range of products can be made using the same basic technique. All of these can be made with injection molding. The versatility of this process means that it can be used in countless industries, from automotive to healthcare, electronics to consumer goods. Injection molding is a key technology that supports the production of a vast array of products, each with its own unique requirements and specifications. Here's how it works. First, we heat the plastic pellets until they become a liquid. These pellets are typically made from thermoplastic polymers, which melt when heated and solidify when cooled. The heating process is carefully controlled to ensure that the plastic reaches the right temperature for molding. Then, we inject this hot liquid into a mold. The injection process is highly precise, with the liquid plastic being forced into the mold under high pressure. This ensures that the plastic fills every part of the mold, capturing even the smallest details of the design. The mold is like a hollowed-out version of the final product. It's made from durable materials like steel or aluminum and is designed to withstand the high pressures and temperatures of the injection process. The mold's design is crucial, as it determines the shape and features of the final product. Think of it like a cookie cutter, but for plastic. Just as a cookie cutter shapes dough into specific forms, the mold shapes the liquid plastic into the desired product. This analogy helps to visualize how the mold works to create consistent, uniform items. The hot plastic cools and hardens inside the mold, taking on its shape. This cooling process is critical, as it ensures that the plastic solidifies correctly and retains the precise shape of the mold. The cooling time can vary, depending on the size and complexity of the part being produced. Finally, we open the mold and pop out the finished product. The result is a perfectly shaped plastic item, ready for use. This entire process, from heating the pellets to removing the final product, is a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to the power of injection molding technology. Extrusion is another cool way to shape plastic. This method is perfect for making long, continuous shapes like pipes, tubes, and even plastic sheets. Think about a garden hose or a drinking straw. These are made using extrusion. Here's the process. We melt down the plastic pellets just like in injection molding, but instead of injecting the liquid plastic into a mold, we push it through a die. A die is like a nozzle with a specific shape. The hot plastic squeezes through the die and comes out the other side in a continuous shape. It's like squeezing toothpaste out of a tube, but with plastic. Plastic is amazing. It's lightweight, durable, and cheap to produce. This makes it incredibly useful in our daily lives. Plastic is in our homes, our cars, our hospitals, and even in our food packaging. It helps keep our food fresh and our medical equipment sterile. But there's a downside. Plastic lasts a really long time. That's great for some things, but it's a problem when we throw plastic away. Plastic doesn't break down easily in the environment. It can end up polluting our oceans and harming wildlife. So, we have a paradox. Plastic is incredibly useful, but it can also be harmful if we don't handle it responsibly. The good news is that people are working hard to make plastic more sustainable. We're inventing new types of plastic that break down naturally in the environment. We're also getting better at recycling plastic so we can use it again and again. Some companies are even using plants to make bioplastics. These bioplastics are made from renewable resources like cornstarch, and they can break down naturally without harming the environment. It's like turning plants into plastic bottles. Plastic is here to stay. It's a material that has revolutionized our world, making countless aspects of our daily lives more convenient and efficient. From packaging to medical devices, from automotive parts to household items, plastic is deeply integrated into our modern existence. It's too useful to give up completely. The versatility and durability of plastic make it an indispensable resource. However, this very usefulness also poses significant challenges, especially when it comes to environmental sustainability. But we need to use it responsibly and find ways to reduce its impact on the planet. This means investing in recycling technologies, developing eco-friendly alternatives, and promoting responsible consumption habits. The goal is to minimize waste and ensure that plastic products are reused and recycled as much as possible. The future of plastic is all about finding a balance between innovation and responsibility. We must continue to push the boundaries of what plastic can do while also being mindful of its environmental footprint. This involves creating new materials that are both high-performing and sustainable. We need to keep inventing new and better plastics that are both durable and sustainable. Researchers and engineers are hard at work developing bioplastics, which are made from renewable resources and are designed to break down more easily in the environment, and we need to recycle and reuse the plastic we already have. This means improving our recycling infrastructure, educating the public about proper disposal methods, and encouraging industries to design products with recyclability in mind. It's a challenge, but it's one we can overcome by working together. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in creating a more sustainable future for plastic. Collaboration and innovation are key to making meaningful progress. Remember, plastic itself isn't the enemy. It's a valuable material that has brought many benefits to society. The real issue lies in how we manage its life cycle, from production to disposal. It's how we use and dispose of it that matters. By adopting responsible practices, we can significantly reduce the negative impact of plastic on the environment. This includes reducing single-use plastics, opting for reusable products, and supporting policies that promote sustainability. Let's be smart about plastic and work towards a cleaner, greener future. Together, we can innovate responsibly and ensure that plastic continues to serve us without compromising the health of our planet.